Question number 1. The ping utility uses which protocol? A. TCP. Option B. Wi-Fi. Option C. IDF. Option D. ICMA. So the correct answer is option D, ICMA. Question number 2. At which OSI layer does IPX function? A. Physical. B. Data link. C. Network. and D. Transport. So इसका सही करेक्ट आंसर जो है वो है ऑप्शन सी, नेटवर्क. Question number 3. Which of the following is a proprietary network protocol? A. Local talk. B. Ethernet talk. C. Token talk. And D. None of the above. So the correct answer is A. Local talk. Question number 4. Which protocol allow dynamics addressing for remote access? A. SLIP. B. PPP. C. ISDN. And D. ATM. So the correct answer is option B, PPP. Question number 5. Which of the following are the examples of routing protocols? A. RIF. B. OSPF. C. IGRP. And D. all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above, option D. Question number 6. A repeater is a device used for which of the following impairments? A. Distortion. B. Attenuation. C. Noise. And D. all of the above. So the correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 7. Which layer of the OSI model do repeater function at? A. Physical. B. Data link. C. Network. And D. Transport. So इसका correct answer जो है option A, physical. Question number 8. Non-routable protocol are usually A. faster than routable protocol. B. slower than routable protocol. C. use on when. And D. none of the above. So इसका correct answer जो है option A, faster than routable protocol. Question number 9. Which layer of the OSI model do repeater function at? A. Physical. B. Data link. C. Network. And D. Transport. So इसका correct answer जो है option A, physical. Question number 10. The last question. Which type of bridge is used on token ring network? A. Transparent. B. Source routing. C. Translation. And D. Spanning tree. So the correct answer of this question is option B, source routing. This is the end of lecture. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.